Did you know that 70% of the workforce will be freelancing or working remotely by 2030? That's right. Traditional 9-to-5 jobs are becoming a thing of the past. But here's the kicker. Not all skills are created equal. Some skills can make you $100 an hour, while others barely pay minimum wage. Today, I'm revealing the top 5 skills to make money in 2025. Skills that are in high demand, pay well, and can be learned by anyone willing to put in the effort. Let's dive in. Skill 5, data analysis. First up, data analysis. In a world drowning in data, companies are desperate for people who can make sense of it all. Data analysts help businesses make informed decisions by interpreting complex data sets. How much can you make? On average, data analysts earn $30 to $50 per hour, and experienced professionals can charge $100 or more. Freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are flooded with data analysis gigs, and the demand is only growing. What's the demand like? This skill is in high demand globally, especially in tech hubs like the US, Europe, and Asia. Companies in finance, healthcare, e-commerce, and marketing are always looking for data-savvy professionals. What skills do you need? You'll need to master tools like Excel, SQL, Python, and data visualization tools like Tableau or Power BI. Don't worry if you're not a math whiz. There are tons of online courses that can teach you the basics in just a few months. If you're analytical and love solving puzzles, data analysis could be your golden ticket to a high-paying career. Skill 4, translation. Next, we have translation. In our globalized world, businesses need to communicate across languages, and that's where translators come in. Whether it's translating documents, websites, or even subtitles for movies, this skill is incredibly versatile. How much can you make? Translators typically earn $20 to $40 per hour, depending on the language pair and complexity of the work. Rare languages like Japanese, German, or Arabic can command even higher rates. What's the demand like? The demand for translators is booming in regions with diverse languages like Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. Companies in legal, medical, and entertainment industries are always on the lookout for skilled translators. What skills do you need? Fluency in at least 2 languages is a must, but you'll also need strong writing skills and cultural awareness. Specializing in a niche, like legal or medical translation, can significantly boost your earning potential. If you're bilingual or multilingual, translation is a skill that can open doors to a global clientele. Skill 3, virtual assistant. Now let's talk about virtual assistants. With the rise of remote work, busy professionals and entrepreneurs are outsourcing their administrative tasks to virtual assistants. How much can you make? Virtual assistants earn $15 to $35 per hour, depending on their expertise and the tasks they handle. Specialized VAs, like those in social media management or customer support, can charge even more. What's the demand like? The demand for virtual assistants is skyrocketing, especially in North America, Europe, and Australia. Small businesses, startups, and executives are constantly looking for reliable VAs to help them stay organized. What skills do you need? You'll need strong organizational skills, communication skills, and proficiency in tools like Google Workspace, Microsoft Office, and project management software. Being proactive and detail-oriented will set you apart from the competition. If you're a natural organizer and love helping others, becoming a virtual assistant could be your path to financial freedom. Skill 2, transcription. Up next is transcription. This skill involves converting audio or video content into written text. It's a great option for those who have excellent listening and typing skills. How much can you make? Transcriptionists earn $15 to $30 per hour, with specialized fields like medical or legal transcription paying even more. What's the demand like? The demand for transcriptionists is steady, particularly in the US, Canada, and the UK. Industries like healthcare, law, and media often require transcription services. What skills do you need? You'll need fast and accurate typing skills, excellent listening skills, and familiarity with transcription software. Specializing in a niche like medical or legal transcription can increase your earning potential. If you have a keen ear and fast fingers, transcription is a skill that can provide a steady income. Skill 1. Content writing. Last, but definitely not least, we have content writing. In the digital age, content is king, and businesses need high-quality content to attract and engage their audience. How much can you make? Content writers earn $20 to $50 per hour, with experienced writers charging $100 or more for specialized content like copywriting or technical writing. What's the demand like? The demand for content writers is global, with businesses in every industry needing blogs, articles, social media posts, and more. The US, UK, and India are particularly hot markets for content writers. What skills do you need? You'll need strong writing skills, creativity, and a good understanding of SEO. Building a portfolio and specializing in a niche like tech or finance can help you stand out. If you have a way with words, content writing can be a lucrative and fulfilling career. Bonus section: How to make money with Upwork. Now you might be thinking, great, I have the skills, but where do I find clients? That's where Upwork comes in. Upwork is one of the world's largest freelance platforms, connecting millions of freelancers with clients who need their skills. Why Upwork? Global reach. Clients from the US, Europe, Asia, and beyond are hiring freelancers daily. Flexibility. Work on short-term gigs or long-term contracts. It's up to you. High earnings. Top freelancers on Upwork make $100 plus per hour. The best part? You don't need a fancy degree or years of experience to get started. With the right resources and dedication, you can learn these skills and start earning in just a few months. So, there you have it. The top 5 skills to make money in 2025. Data analysis, translation, virtual assistant, transcription, and content writing. Each of these skills offers a unique opportunity to earn a great income, work remotely, and take control of your career. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on building a successful career in the digital age. And if you're ready to take the first step, check out the links in the description for courses and resources to get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.